So my name's Sharif Kulkarni. I'm News Innovation Research Fellow of Media Cymru, and I'm leading a project called News for All, which is a collaboration with the BBC. And essentially the idea is to understand and then meet the needs of the roughly 50% of the population who aren't engaging with journalism at all.
We've wanted to do some wider work which brought in international partners. And Media Cymru is really lucky to have a partnership with Media City Bergen.
So my name is Helge Svela. I'm the CEO of Media Cluster Bergen.
If you look around you can see lots of our guests from Bergen and from Norway. I'd say about half the people in this room are from Norway. Oh, we're about to start.
I came to Cardiff to collaborate with Media Cymru and with the BBC. It was a really exciting project where we tried to find new ways of reaching young and hard to reach audiences, and I really think that we learned a lot.
We are doing this to take the time to think about a future world, to imagine what that future world might be, and I guess importantly to imagine what it could be, and to try to think of the ways that we can shape that into a world that's better for everybody. A world in which we can look at different people's information needs and make, I guess, sensible and informed and collaborative steps to making that future reality.
I think the highlight was really to be in such a diverse group, to participate in the discussions, to hear other kind of perspectives that you maybe don't usually get. I think it's a real strength to be able to really learn from the lived experiences of others